How to put parental control on a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put parental control on a laptop. First, open the Windows Start menu, go to Settings and click on Accounts. Now select Family and Other Users, then tap on Add a Family Member. If your child already has a Microsoft account, enter their email and follow the prompts. If not, choose Create One for a child, then enter a new email address and tap Next. Now create a password. Add your child's name, country, and birth date. Then sign in to your own Microsoft account to confirm and give consent. Scroll down, check the terms, and click Yes, I agree. You will receive a confirmation email. Tap on Connect a device to link your child's laptop. Next, go back to the Start menu and head to Settings and Accounts, then Family and Other Users, and click Manage Family Settings online. This will open the family homepage in your browser. Click the three dots on your child's profile and choose Go to Overview. Here, you will see all available parental controls. Now tap on Screen Time from the sidebar. You can set limits for each day or schedule available times, like 2 hours on weekdays and more on weekends. Once done, click Save. You can also use one schedule on all devices or set different rules per device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.